Hey everybody, Hobby Handyman here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the wobble of a KitchenAid stand mixer. What you'll see here in the video is that there is a little bit of a shimmy back and forth when the mixer is on, especially when there's something in the mixing bowl. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So in order to get rid of that wobble, what you're going to do is you're going to flip your machine over, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is the bottom of the machine. What you want to do, this is a really quick and easy fix, but you see that set screw right there? That connects that bar that you see. That is the pivot bar. And so what you want to do is just tighten that screw right there that I'm pointing to with the screwdriver. Tighten that down, and then that should get rid of all that wobble. So what we just did is basically tighten the set screw that sits right on this this bar right here. You want to make sure that that is centered in between your mixer. Tighten it down, and that should get rid of all the wobble. Then you can make some of these.